Here I have a bunch of mailing labels. I want to sort them by the last name. It's last name, comma, first, and then a bunch of addresses. But if I sort this, I'm going to just get a mess, right? If I go to data, sort, that's quite a mess. Doesn't help at all. I want to sort them in blocks. So one solution is I insert a row here. And here, let me just make this, that's all right, I'll make it bold. Here, in this one, I say if the cell to the left and up, if that cell is blank, oops, if equals if that cell equals nothing, then give me the cell to the left. Otherwise, give me the cell above, which doesn't yet make sense. So I get John Jones here. When I fill this down, I get John Jones again because the cell up to the left is not blank, so it picks up the cell above. So if I drag this all the way down, and I went one further to keep the blank as a block, then it's fine. I click in here, I click the sort. I now can get rid of this column and get rid of row 1 again. And these are Adams, Edmonds, Jones, and Spencer. I want to change these to name 1, new line, address 1, new line, city, state, and zip, these 3 columns, and then a blank. So I'm going to move this out of the way. So let's say I start here and I do equals A1, and here below it, I want equals B1, and below that I want equals C1, right? So I take these 4 because I want the blank, and I fill it down and I get not what I want. What happened to name 2, 3, and 4? What happened to 6, 7, and 8? So that doesn't work. And the reason it doesn't is if I take equals A1, 5 rows down, I get equals A5. So let's undo that. So instead of equals A1, I'm going to use X A1. It doesn't make sense yet. X B1, X C1. I include these 4. And I drag way down to like 120 because there were that many. And I get all what I want except with X's instead of equals. Therefore, replace X with equals. Replace all. Done. Supposing I have it this way and I want it this way. So here I have A1, A2, A3, A5, A6, A7, and I try that. No, it doesn't work. Same kind of technique. So let's get rid of that. I want XA1, XA2, XA3. Now, when we got the pattern, I have to do XA5, XA6, and XA7. In this case, they do have to be always 3 rows plus a blank. But now this works fine. I'll just demo some of that. Change the X to an equals. It's all. And I got it. And there's also one other solution in here, which is hidden using sequence. The index of A, sequence of 160 over 4, because the last row in column A is 160, and I want 4 because they're all in groups of 4. And this last 4, and you'll see I just take away the open quote, boom, they're all done.